Hey friends! Today I'm bringing you a complete parameter settings video of the UTC-114 temperature controller. Let's start with the wiring and then move to the full menu configuration. On the top side, terminals 18, 19, and 20, you can connect three types of sensors. J-type thermocouple, range up to 600 degrees Celsius. K-type thermocouple, range up to 1200 degrees Celsius. PT100, range from -99 degrees Celsius to +400 degrees Celsius. And if you want a decimal reading in PT100, you can select PT1 in parameter settings. For power, terminals 1 and 2, 230 volts AC line and neutral. Terminals 5 and 6, SSR output, 12 volts DC compatible. Terminals 8, 9, 10, relay output. You can operate a contactor through the relay output to control your heater or directly operate an SSR using terminals 5 and 6. For demo, we connected an LED using relay output. Line looped to terminal 9, common. No terminal output to LED. LED neutral directly to terminal 2. Whenever the relay turns on, the LED will glow. As soon as we power on the meter, the display shows J-type, PID. But we have connected PT100, so we will change this. To enter settings, press and hold set. When pass appears, release set. Password is equal to 73. Press set again to enter the parameters. Input selection. Change the input from J-type to PT100. Press set. Output type. You have three options: relay, SSR, both. Select both if you want both outputs active. Press set. Output mode. You can select heat, cool. Select the mode based on your application. Press set. Control action. Options are PID for precise control. On-off, most commonly used for heaters and ovens. TP, time proportional, for SSR pulse control. In on-off mode, operation is simple. The relay turns off when set point is reached and turns on again after temperature drops by the hysteresis value. Press set. Set lower limit, SLL. This is the minimum set point the user can enter. Example: if SLL is equal to 0 degrees Celsius, then you cannot set a temperature below 0. Press set. Set higher limit, SHL. This is the maximum set point allowed. Example: if SHL is equal to 100 degrees Celsius, then the user cannot go above 100 degrees Celsius. Press set. Offset. If your displayed temperature is slightly high or low, you can correct it using positive or negative offset. Press enter to exit parameters. To change the set point, press set once. Use up-down keys. Press enter to save. Because we set SHL is equal to 200 degrees Celsius, the controller will not allow a set point beyond 200. To quickly check all saved settings, turn power off. Turn the power on again. On startup, the display shows PT, input type, on-off, control action. This confirms our settings are saved. That was the complete wiring and parameter setup of the UTC-114 temperature controller.